Cricket is where we begin. Jamaican Coley has been named the interim head coach of the West Indies men's team for the upcoming tour of Southern Africa. Following a meeting of Cricket West Indies Board of Directors on Monday, December 19, Cricket West Indies announced that Coley will oversee the two-test tour of Zimbabwe from January 28 to February 16, as well as the multi-format tour of South Africa, which includes 2 tests, 3 one-day internationals and 3 T20 internationals from February 21 to March 28. Coley, a former Jamaica wicketkeeper batter, is currently head coach of the Cricket West Indies Academy program. Coley previously served as the assistant academy head coach and interim academy head coach when the Sagicor Academy was launched in 2010. He was also head coach of the West Indies under-19 team, assistant coach of the West Indies men's and women's teams, as well as head coach of the Jamaica Scorpions and the Windward Islands Volcanoes, who were the 2018 Super 50 Cup champions. In 2016, he was assistant coach of the West Indies men's team, which won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup, and earlier this year he was assistant coach of Jamaica Tallawahs when they captured the Caribbean Premier League title. Cricket West Indies also confirmed that the contracts of assistant coaches Roddy Estwick and Monty Desai had ended.